Hi there, I'm Ben Howard, CEO of Orbis. I'm here for the Orbis 2023 Innovation Day. We've got a mixture of customers, key suppliers and staff as well. I think the things that have stood out for me have been the mix of products that we've been able to showcase for customers in what's a fantastic location that one of our customers has made available to us. And I think the way that customers and everyone here has been able to interact with those products and services in an interesting and fun way has been great.
I'm Steve Bush, I'm the account manager for Located. You guys have raised the bar, so working with Matt, Lisa and Kelly, they thought it'd be a really good idea to do an innovation day for Orbis, and we were happy to provide the facilities and the site for you to showcase all the great products you have on the market.
It's really everything that we do, from an insight to what our vehicles look like and some of the services we provide both for physical security, for example, barriers and fencing, right the way through to our on-site CCTV protection. We have some of our CCTV towers, our mobile asset protection system here as well, and it really showcases exactly what they can do for most environments in which we work.
Yeah, absolutely. I'd say come to the next Innovation Day. It's been a great opportunity to see the people behind the company and understand the tech that sits there behind it.